I'm going to be unboxing my first paddleboard ever. It's an Isle brand. It's 10.6 Pioneer 3. I've actually never owned a paddleboard before, so I'm really excited to give this one a shot. I've had people tell me great reviews, and my friend told me this is the one. So let's open it up. And as you guys could tell, I've never seen this thing. It's fully packaged. Ooh, they give you one of these guys. In here. We got some stickers. That's cool. And a quick start guide. All right, this is awesome. So this is a pump.
Manual pump,
Which we're not going to use today because it's going to take us a while. Alright, so this is the paddle. Very impressive.
ooh,
Very nice. Ooh, look at this texture. Has like a measuring.
so it's adjustable.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, very nice. Okay. Open up this guy.
And I think the board has a paddle board holder right here.
Oh yeah, it does.
It's nice.
All right. So we got that going. I don't think we need anything else here. So let's see what else it comes with.
Okay, so that's your fin.
Okay.
That's cool that you have a side pocket in the
Hey
back.
guys, my sister-in-law is my camera girl, and she has several paddle boards. So she's a pro. And I'm still learning all of this.
I've owned one for a while. So we have the
Okay, so
fin that goes on the bottom. I think it's brand new. And then we got the leash.
so let's see.
So it's gonna go like
It
this.
says remove locking disc, add second locking disc to rear hole for a more secure fit.
Locking disc.
Yeah.
So we have this pump for paddle boards.
Which is one of the best pumps we
Oh.
came across.
It's hard to see this LCD, but we're gonna pump it to, this board says to, usually it says the maximum PSI to inflate it, but I don't see, okay, so it says here 13 to 17 PSI. So we're gonna have to do somewhere in that range. We can do 13 and boards, when the air warms up inside, which usually they're out on a warm day and the sun will warm up the air inside, so you don't want to over pump them. Whenever you do it, Rena.
So, okay. Tell me what to do.
So first you're gonna want to make sure that the valve is in the correct position to inflate it. So it says valve pin up to inflate and then down to deflate.
Okay.
So right now it's down. That means it's in deflate mode.
Okay.
When it's up, it's in inflate mode. 13 to 17 PSI, and I don't know if you can see the screen here, but we're gonna bump it up to, let's do 14, yeah?
Okay, yeah, just to be safe.
And then we just press start.
Alright.
Detailing on the plastic. lot of boards, there's nowhere to put the paddle while you're carrying it. So it's nice that Isle added that to the board. So right now we're at 6 psi. We got to get to 14. So it does. All the air doesn't rush out,
And then
even though it's pressurized.
I just close this.
Yep.
This. That's it.
Yep.
It's easy to go.
Yeah, it's a good spot, I feel like. All right. Nothing like a brand new board. You even have a QR code. Oh yeah, probably.
Like this?
Yeah, it's gonna go like that because that's the direction that you're going for the water drag. So
Wait,
from what I saw, it slides in
Slide.
like that. And then, so Super Bolt. I think that's something else. Okay, so here it is. Click in fin instructions. Right.
Yeah, I mean,
So you would have to take it out like that. Yeah, and when you're swimming in the water will be pushing it backwards.
Right.
So it's never gonna go forward.
yeah.
All right, we're ready to go.
Like, did we pump it right? Did we close all the plugs?
Everything looks good. I'll get mine in the water.
Alright.
Woohoo!
Man, I'm so excited. I've rented so many boards. I borrowed. The fact that this is mine is bittersweet.
It looks good on you.
Thank you, Jessica. I'm like overwhelmed right now. Well, thanks you guys for watching and tuning in into our unpackaging video of my board. Thanks to Jessica for filming.
Oh, anytime.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye, guys.